Yo, what is going on, ladies and gentlemen? It is Dodgy, also known as Ryan. This is gonna be the trailer for my YouTube channel, and just want to give you guys a little bit about me and my channel. So I actually started trading like probably 4 years ago, and I got into it from the AMC thing. I think it was a little before, and then I saw the AMC thing, and it hyped me up, and they were just like a short squeeze if you didn't know, and I made some money from that. Okay, I want to actually learn how to trade, and then I started options, and then I got into ICT, and just big spiral from there. I mean, I think the main thing that led me into ICT was just some friends saying, I think someone texted me one day and they're like, yo, you should watch these ICT videos, and I saw they're like 50 minutes long, and I'm like, dude, there's no way. So I watched them. I gave up after like three of them, and then I came back like a few weeks later because I wasn't doing good in options. I was like, okay, maybe I'll give this a second try. And I started watching them. I'm like, okay. And I started seeing them in the chart, and I like couldn't unsee fair value gaps. And I'm like, okay, this is actually kind of legit. So started with that, and began making ICT videos. So I always say in every video, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I know I just said that twice. I typically tend to not edit my videos because I'm fine speaking without editing, and I just kind of make videos for fun, not really for the money. YouTube doesn't really pay that well, so I mean, I just make them for fun at this point. Maybe if I were to ever get like a million subscribers, which is probably not going to happen, then I would obviously edit them more. But for now, I don't really see the need to edit. I'm pretty good at not pausing, and you're not going to find my videos are very long. So yeah, the main thing I do is I like to trade ICT inversion. So I'm like the big inversion guy. If anyone said my name on Twitter, they're probably talking about my inversion setup or strategy or whatever it may be. Um, so if I go to the chart, okay, I'm a big inversion guy. So what I look for is my main kind of thing is I look for a bearish fair value gap to get broken through or a bullish fair value gap to get broken through. And there's a clear example here in Euro USD. So like the big thing with me is, have you ever been in a trade and you're in a bullish fair value gap and it just gets completely destroyed and goes the other way? That's what made me interested in inversions. I was like, okay, maybe I'll wait for the people that get destroyed and then I'll go the opposite way. So it's kind of like a little not sure what the word is. You're kind of fading the actual ICT traders. So it's ICT, but you're fading the ICT traders who think that this is a long setup. And a couple of reasons inversions work are because we take out some sort of liquidity, so we purge some sort of liquidity, we run stops, and then typically this bullish fair value gap, because we ran stops here, will not work. Okay, so what I do is I wait for the candle close below it, and then I get in when we close below, and I'll just target some sort of liquidity. So you can see this one clearly works here. But again, that's my main strategy. So if you want to find out more about that strategy, I recommend clicking the link in the description. I'll have a playlist of it. There's like 11 or 12 videos. Um, and it's a little disorganized, I will not lie. I'll probably make a course in the future going over like making more organized, going over more examples, etc. But for now, it's all free. Okay, it's gonna be all free. I'm never deleting those videos, so I would definitely recommend watching them. There's like 11 or 12 of them, and I think how many is that? I think it's 11 to be exact. So it's 11 videos. So click the link in the description if you want to learn about inversions. I also have older videos going over other stuff, but I would definitely say I use inversions 99%. So I have a lot of like discipline, risk management videos, other stuff like that. But again, I definitely recommend doing inversions. And again, if you're one of those people who take a bullish fair value gap and it fails and you just see it totally go the other way, I guarantee these are for you, and they're very easy to use. Um, and yeah, that's a little bit about me. So I am also an affiliate Apex link. So if you want to buy a prop firm account or anything, which I strongly recommend doing, okay. Well, if you're into trading and you're new, do not risk your own capital. Use a prop firm. Apex is one. You could use Top Step. You could use My Funded Futures. There's so many different ones. The only reason I recommend Apex is because they always have sales and they're so cheap. So like if you use my code or anyone's code for that matter, I don't really care if you use my code or not. You can get 71% off, 80% off, and then 90% off when they're doing the 90% off sale. So they do have a Discord. You can see when they're doing those sales. And I also have my own Discord. So if you want to join my own Discord, that is free. Okay. Click that, links in the description. And then I also have a paid Discord where I live stream every day. So I live stream every day. And I call price live time. I live trade. Sometimes execute on the screen. Sometimes I'll just call it verbally. Doesn't really matter. Not a signal service. It's meant to teach you guys in live time. And yeah, that's a little bit about me. Again, I still upload a lot of free content on Twitter, so make sure to follow my Twitter. And yeah, it's just, if you don't know my Twitter, it's just DodgyZD. Same as my YouTube. Same with my TikTok. My TikTok is DodgyZD, and I do not have Instagram. So if you get a DM from someone with my name on Instagram, it is not me. Or Telegram for them. So just be careful, don't get scammed. And yeah, that's a little about me. I'm not gonna monetize this video or anything because this is a trailer. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you guys have any questions. And yeah, peace.